So in today's video, I'm gonna take this panel from this to this. This is fully wrapped carbon fiber over spoons. So I've already done this side, I know how it works, and now I'm gonna teach you how to do this. Look at the nice carbon fiber weave. I still need to sand this and do another coat of just epoxy before I do the finalize of the, before I do the clear coat over top. All right, so this is a pretty simple process. I am using Super 77 multi-adhesive. That's what I used last time. I'm gonna use the same thing again to do this side fairing. We're laying the real deal carbon fiber, so let your granny and your aunties know that we ain't playing around over here. So that's what we're using. Here's our carbon fiber piece right here. I already got it stretched out. And all I'm gonna do, it's a little tedious, it's gonna take some time, but once it's done, it's gonna look amazing. I like to do a little bit at a time. Make sure you're getting good, even coverage. Don't be shy to spray this adhesive. Somebody gonna say, ooh. Let it sit for about, I don't know, a couple minutes, about 5-6 minutes, nothing crazy. I ain't gonna say 5 minutes. We're gonna let it sit for this about 2 or 3 minutes. Hey, if y'all in the live, please tap in. Hit the hearts for me. I need to set my goal for today. Ooh, I got messed up. It wasn't even over there. Yeah, we laying down that real deal Holyfield right now. Some real carbon fiber for you boys today and girls. All right, so all I'm gonna do, all right, just like that, it is completely done. It's been sitting here now for a couple hours, so I'm not worried about none of this moving. It should be good and dry now, so we can go ahead and start laying the epoxy. Wow, I love it. Looks so good. Looks so good. But first, since this is done, I want to put epoxy on this, and I want to put it on here on the frame. So I know I'm doing two things in this video, but this is the forged carbon that I put down on the frame about a couple days ago. Now I'm just in the process. I'm about to start sanding it and then gonna put another coat of epoxy over this. So you're gonna see that too as well. Yo, look how well that turned out. So now I need to sand both panels and then put on another layer of epoxy.